When away from home, see what's happening around immediately with your own eyes can bring real assurance. That's why you need AX Pro, a smart alarm system that not only delivers all-around protection, but allows you to see it for yourself.
It shows me what's happening right on my phone.
From this guy who deliberately hopped into your yard. And this man who just delivered your package.
Thank you, Kevin.
But not from this cute little guy. What if there is a real emergency? Don't worry, professionals can also see it and are always ready to send help.
At your service 24/7.
And there's more. AX Pro is more than just an alarm system. It can set your yard lights to turn on automatically at night and open your garage door using your smartphone. So you can relax, enjoy the security and convenience it brings to you. AX Pro, visible alarms for real assurance.